There we go. Record. You were talking to your friends just now, honey. What else do you want to say? Say thank you, Grandma Cartopolo, for this nice crib. There it is. He's so excited. This is the first time in a crib. What else do you want to say? Say I love you, everyone. And I'll see you definitely at Christmas. I think that'll be the first time, unfortunately. He seems to like the crib. He's kicking his little feet. It's a pretty heavy blanket though, so I'm not able to kick too high. He's talking a lot now. You have so much to say. Can you say my mommy loves me? Mommy loves Kevin. Where's the smile? Where's the smile? Where's the smile? Uh-oh. What's up with your tongue? Oh, we waited too long. You're about to cry. Okay. Today is Mother's Day, so Mom's taking a break. It's my first Mother's Day. Love my son. That's right, honey. Mommy loves you. He's talking a lot this weekend. What do you have to say, honey? Oh. He wrote me a very nice card via his daddy. So sweet.
Hey. Ciao.